If you want to experience Himalayan birds and its diversity, you must visit this hamlet of Himalaya at least once in your life. Hello guys, now we are at Lava, the hottest hotspot of India for birding. I am Sannidhya and this is my friend Asif. Welcome to our channel Orgasm with Nature.
So basically our channel is typically for birders, wildlife lovers, also nature lovers, and we are mainly covering the wildlife and trailing the virgin natures, and also our channel is very much helpful for those students who have less amount of budget but has a huge respect for birds. We also a student, so our cheap budget trips help them to make their own trips. So without any wasting time, let's begin.
Let's start.
So we are here. We start our journey from L20 bus stand, and we already booked our bus online, which is Atiana Airwing, which at the price of 1,000 per head. 1,000 or 990. So finally we are at Siliguri after 12 hours of bus journey. Now we are trying to set a car for Lava.
It took around 2,200 rupees for the car. We took the shortest route, that is through Sebok Beach and Gorubathan. On the way to Lava from Siliguri, allow us to give you some intro about that birding paradise. Surrounded by virgin forest and often hidden in mist and cloud at an altitude of 2,350 meters, Lava is a small village situated on the old trade route to Bhutan. As this is the gateway of famous Neora Valley National Park, it takes its credit for its popularity for nature exploration and bird watching. By the way, this is the famous Sebok Bridge, formerly known as Coronation Bridge on Tista River. On the way to Lava, at a tea stall near Gorubathan, we saw black-backed fogtail, white-capped water restart, northern tree shrew beside a small stream. Now, without any wasting time, let me take you to our accommodation for upcoming 3 days. So guys, finally we have reached Lava WTC cottage. We have booked Quires 1. It took all around 1,232 rupees per cottage per night. So this is our cottage, and here is Hulk standing here. So let's look inside. It's a beautiful room, king size bed with some table. This is our luggage, and there is a TV and a mirror. It's excellent. And this is bathroom, including geyser, commode, and yeah, that's it. It's luxurious, it's excellent.
And there is a bird.
And there is a bird. Oh, nice. Where? Why?
They're flying away.
Oh no, it's flying. There it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? There it is. There it is. There.
Ah, it is blue fronted restart.
There it is. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry.
Yes, you can see it. Here is a beautiful boy.
Oh, nice. After having our lunch with Maggie, we left for our first birding expedition towards Algora. First we did some birding at WBFDC. Then we trekked, rather walked 5 km from WFDC Rishabh Junction along the main road. Bird movement was not satisfactory that day due to heavy cloud, but we enjoyed nature at its full glory. To see the details information about our expedition, please follow our website orgasmwithnature.blogspot.com. Okay guys, we have just completed the Algara Trail, the 5th mile of Algara Trail, and we have found some remarkable species, both mammals and birds. So
yeah, we found lots of new lifers for us, like accentus.
there's a white colored blackbird and grey winged blackbird, yellow-throated martin.
And we know Algara is very popular for wildlife watching. Now we understand why it is popular. And though lots of deforestation causes a huge hemorrhage for Algara, but
Algara is Algara. It's one of the best.
Quite successful day for us.
We also heard some calls of hill pet trees, and that was so exciting. And we recorded some calls.
We also found a laughing track, almost 4 or 5.
4 or 5. That's what.
4 or 5.
So it's quite a successful day for us, and 5 to 6 lifers was there for us.
Almost we cover 9 to 10 kilometer trekking.
Yeah, from WFDC. So it's a beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Nice day. Okay, see you in the evening. Bye. Lava goes to sleep very early at night, so it becomes calm and quiet at 7:30 p.m. only. For the sake of information, you don't need to carry anything from home. Lava may be a small town, but anything and everything is available in Lava Market. Shop. This is Lava Market. Okay, so let's buy some food. Bye bye. हाई तो बोल दीजिए।
दुकान का नाम पॉवरेल्स है, मेरा दुकान का नाम।
ओके,
पॉवरेल्स गिव थोड़ा बहुत मेडिसिन, सब कुछ थोड़ा बहुत
लगता है।
छोटा सा शॉपिंग मॉल।
यस
सब कुछ